Some engines die before 100,000 miles. Others barely make 200,000. But I've tracked cars across America that hit 300,000 miles or more on a single four-cylinder engine. Today, we're counting down the best four-cylinder engines that can reach 300,000 miles. Stick around. At the end, I'll share the exact maintenance habit I use on all my cars to make them last. Let's get started. Engine number 10, Toyota 22R and 22RE. Starting the list is one of the toughest four-cylinder engines ever built, the Toyota 22R engine and its fuel-injected version, the Toyota 22RE engine. Toyota used these engines from the early 1980s through the mid-1990s. You could find them in vehicles like the Toyota Pickup, Toyota 4Runner, and Toyota Celica. What makes this engine special is its simple and overbuilt design. The 22R uses a strong cast iron block and a very tough bottom end. That means the crankshaft, rods, and pistons can handle years of use without wearing out quickly. The engine also produces modest power, which actually helps it last longer because the parts are never pushed too hard. Another reason the 22R lasts so long is its simple layout. There are no complex turbochargers, no direct injection systems, and very few electronic components. That makes the engine easy to repair and cheap to maintain. With basic care, these engines regularly reach 300,000 miles. Many owners report seeing 400,000 miles or more without a rebuild. The only issue owners sometimes face is a timing chain guide that can wear out over time. But if it's replaced early, the engine can keep going for many more years. That's why the Toyota 22R earned a reputation as one of the most dependable four-cylinder engines ever made. But the next engine on this list proves that durability isn't limited to trucks. Engine number 9, Honda K20. When Honda released the K-series engines in the early 2000s, they were a big step forward from the older Honda designs. The K20 quickly became one of the most respected engines Honda ever built. You could find it in cars like the Honda Civic, Honda Accord, and Acura RSX. But the reason people talk about the K20 is how well it handles stress. This engine loves to rev. Some versions spin past 8,000 revolutions per minute, which is very high for a normal street car. Most engines that run at those speeds every day wear out fast. The K20 is different. Honda built it with strong internal parts, excellent oil flow, and very precise engineering. The engine stays balanced even at high speed. That reduces vibration and long-term wear. Because of this, the K20 became one of the most popular engines for performance builds. Some owners double the horsepower, yet the engine still holds together. But even in completely stock cars, the K20 regularly passes 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. That combination of strength, balance, and smart engineering is what made the K20 a modern Honda legend. And the next engine proves that sometimes a small, quiet engine can outlast much bigger ones. Engine number 8, Toyota 2 AZFE. Some engines become popular because of power. Others become famous because they seem to last forever in everyday cars. That's exactly what happened with the Toyota 2 AZFE engine. Toyota built this 2.4-liter four-cylinder for many of its most common vehicles in the 2000s. Millions of drivers owned one without even realizing it. You could find it in the Toyota Camry, Toyota RAV4, Toyota Highlander, and even the Scion TC. And that's part of the reason the engine proved itself. These vehicles were used for daily commuting, long highway trips, family driving, and even taxi service. That kind of constant use is the real test for any engine. The 2 AZFE handled it well. Toyota designed the engine with strong internals and very good cooling, which helps prevent one of the biggest killers of engines, heat. The engine also produces moderate power, so it isn't constantly pushing its parts to the limit. Another reason these engines last is how predictable they are to maintain. Oil changes, fresh coolant, and basic service go a long way with this design. Because of that, it's common to see well-maintained 2 AZFE engines cross 250,000 to 300,000 miles without major internal work. It's not a flashy engine, it's not built for racing. But in the real world, the 2 AZFE proves something important. A well-designed daily driver engine can quietly last for decades. And the next engine on this list is even smaller, but its reputation for longevity might surprise you. Engine number 7, Toyota 1NZFE. Don't be surprised to see many of these engines coming from Japan. We're not ranking engines by country. We're looking at the best engines overall. But when it comes to long life and reliability, Japanese automakers often get it right. That's why engines like the Toyota 1NZFE engine keep showing up on lists like this. This small 1.5-liter engine-powered cars, such as the Toyota Yaris, Toyota Echo and early versions of the Toyota Prius. At first glance, the engine doesn't look impressive. It's small, it's quiet, and it was built mainly for fuel economy. But that's exactly why it lasts so long. The 1NZ-FE produces modest power, which means the internal parts are not under heavy stress. Less stress means less wear over time. Toyota also designed the engine with efficient cooling and a simple layout, which helps it stay reliable even after years of daily driving. Another reason these engines survive so long is the type of cars they are placed in. Vehicles like the Yaris and Echo are often used for commuting, delivery work, and city driving, where engines run almost every day. That kind of constant use proves durability. Many owners report these engines running past 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. It may not be the most powerful engine on the road, but the 1NZ-FE shows that small engines can deliver very big longevity. And the next engine takes us back to a time when Honda built extremely tough four-cylinders. Engine number 6, Honda F23. Before modern turbo engines and complex fuel systems, Honda built some very straightforward and durable four-cylinder engines. One great example is the Honda F23 engine. Honda introduced this 2.3-liter engine in the late 1990s. It powered everyday cars like the Honda Accord and the Honda Odyssey during that time. The F23 was never designed to be a high-performance engine. Instead, it was built for daily driving, reliability, and long service life. One reason the engine lasts so long is its low-stress design. The F23 uses a single overhead camshaft instead of a more complex setup. Fewer moving parts often means fewer things that can wear out over time. Honda also tuned the engine for smooth power at lower RPM, rather than pushing it to extreme speeds. That keeps internal temperatures lower and reduces long-term wear. Another advantage is easy maintenance. The engine layout is simple and most service jobs are straightforward. When owners keep up with oil changes and timing belt service, the engine tends to reward them with many years of use. It's not unusual to see F23 engines reach 250,000 to 300,000 miles, especially in well-maintained Accords that spend a lot of time on the highway. The F23 may not get as much attention as some of Honda's performance engines, but its quiet durability made it one of Honda's most dependable daily driver motors. And the next engine on this list became famous around the world for exactly the same reason. Simple engineering that just keeps going. Engine number 5, Toyota 3 SFE. Toyota introduced this 2.0-liter four-cylinder in the late 1980s, and it quickly became one of the company's most trusted engines. It powered vehicles like the Toyota Camry, Toyota Celica, and early versions of the Toyota RAV4. Now, you might remember that the Camry already appeared earlier on this list with the 2 AZFE, but these two engines come from different generations of Toyota engineering. The 3 SFE is actually the older design, and it was known for being extremely tough. It used a strong cast-iron engine block, which helped it handle heat and long mileage very well. Later, Toyota replaced it with newer engines like the 2 AZFE, which were designed to improve fuel economy and reduce weight. But the 3 SFE earned its reputation during a time when engines were often built extra strong and slightly overbuilt. Another reason this engine lasts so long is its very balanced design. It doesn't produce extreme horsepower, and it doesn't run under heavy stress. That helps internal parts wear slowly over time. Because of that, many 3 SFE engines have crossed 300,000 miles with basic maintenance. Around the world, this engine became known as a dependable workhorse, especially in markets where cars are kept for decades. And the next engine on this list shows how Honda combined high rev performance with surprising long-term durability. Engine number 4, Honda B18. Now we're stepping into an engine that's small, lightweight, and legendary among Honda fans. The B18 powered cars like the Acura Integra, the early Honda Civic Si, and some RSX models. Unlike many of the engines we've seen so far, the B18 was designed with performance in mind, not just longevity. Yet, despite being a high-revving engine, it still manages to be incredibly durable. What makes the B18 stand out is its strong internals. The block and crank are reinforced, and the engine tolerates high RPMs without major issues. Some B18s were built to rev past 8,000 RPMs, which is rare for engines that also reach 300,000 miles. Honda also engineered the B18 to be lightweight and simple. No turbochargers, no overly complex electronics, just a well-balanced four-cylinder that can handle stress when cared for. Regular oil changes and valve adjustments go a long way to keep it healthy. Enthusiasts often modify this engine for more power, yet many stock and lightly tuned versions easily surpass 300,000 miles. That combination of performance potential and long-term durability is what made the B18 a legend. Even if it's not as quiet or modest as some other engines on our list, the B18 proves one thing: you can have excitement under the hood and still go the distance. Next, we move to a Toyota engine that shows modern engineering can match the longevity of these classic designs. Engine number 3, Toyota 2 ARFE. Now we're moving into the modern era. Unlike some of the older engines on this list, the 2 ARFE was built with fuel efficiency and emissions in mind, but Toyota didn't compromise on durability. You'll find this 2.5-liter four-cylinder in cars like the Toyota Camry, Toyota RAV4, and Toyota Highlander. While it shares the Camry name with older engines like the 3SFE and 2AZFE, the 2ARFE is more refined, quieter, and built with modern materials, making it lighter without sacrificing strength. What makes this engine impressive is its balance between efficiency and longevity. It uses aluminum construction, yet the internal components are reinforced to withstand years of use. The engine also runs cooler and smoother than many older four-cylinders, which helps prevent early wear. Another standout feature is its timing chain system, which is much more durable than older timing belts. With proper oil changes and maintenance, many 2 ARFE engines have already reached 300,000 miles in real-world use. It's not a flashy or high-revving engine, but the 2 ARFE shows that modern engineering can achieve long-lasting reliability, even with more advanced technology. Next, we'll look at a Honda engine that proves small displacement doesn't mean small endurance, one of the most understated legends on this list. Engine number 2, Honda R18. If you remember the B18, it was all about performance with surprising durability. The R18 takes a different approach. This time, Honda focused on everyday reliability and efficiency while still keeping the engine capable and smooth. The R18 is a 1.8-liter four-cylinder used in cars like the Honda Civic and early CR-V models. Unlike the B18, it's not designed to rev to the moon. Instead, it's optimized for low-stress daily driving, which is exactly why it lasts. One of the key strengths of the R18 is its simple SOHC design and robust aluminum block. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things to break, and the engine stays stable over hundreds of thousands of miles. Honda also improved the cooling and oiling systems compared to older engines, reducing wear even further. Another reason the R18 stands out is that it's lightweight and fuel efficient. Drivers often report over 300,000 miles on stock engines without major rebuilds, especially when oil changes and timing chain maintenance are done on schedule. It doesn't have the high rev excitement of the B18, but it proves that longevity doesn't always need horsepower. This engine shows that careful engineering, low-stress operation, and simple design can create a four-cylinder that quietly outlasts many others. Finally, our number 1 engine brings together durability, real-world toughness, and everyday usability, making it the ultimate four-cylinder for longevity. Engine number 1, Toyota 2TRFE. Topping our list is the Toyota 2TRFE engine, and it's easy to see why. This 2.7-liter four-cylinder is built for trucks, SUVs, and heavy-duty use, yet it still qualifies as one of the most reliable four-cylinders ever made. You'll find the 2TRFE in vehicles like the Toyota Tacoma, Toyota Hilux, and the Toyota Fortuner. Unlike the smaller engines we've covered, this one is designed to handle more weight, more miles, and tougher conditions, and it does so without drama. What makes the 2TRFE so dependable is its overbuilt block, strong internals, and robust cooling system. It's an engine designed to take abuse, hauling loads, long road trips, and even off-road use. Many owners report 300,000 miles and beyond with nothing more than regular oil changes and standard maintenance. Another reason this engine lasts is its simplicity. No complicated turbochargers, no fragile electronics, just a solid, straightforward engine that does its job day in and day out. It's also versatile. The 2TRFE powers light trucks and SUVs, which means it's often driven hard and still survives, proving it can outlast engines that are technically smaller or more advanced in design. For drivers who want a four-cylinder engine that can handle the real world and still last for decades, the 2TRFE is as close to perfect as you can get. Maintenance habits that help these engines reach 300,000. As you can see, most of these engines are Japanese, and there's a reason for that. Japanese cars aren't just built to last, they're built to respond well to smart maintenance tricks. So, let's cut to the chase. If you want your engine hitting 300,000 miles, here's what the pros do. 1. Oil is life. Don't wait. Change it regularly. Every 3,000 to 5,000 miles if you can. Use high-quality oil that matches the engine's needs. A fresh oil film protects every moving part from wear. 2. Keep it cool. Overheating is an engine killer. Flush the coolant on schedule, watch for leaks, and replace the thermostat if it's old. A Japanese engine running cool is a Japanese engine running strong. 3. Timing chains and belts. Some engines like the R18 use chains. They're tougher, but not invincible. Others like the F23 have belts. Replace them exactly when needed. Don't guess, don't wait. 4. Don't ignore small issues. Weird noises, oil spots, or a little misfire. Fix it fast. These engines forgive early attention but punish neglect. 5. Air and fuel care. Keep filters clean, throttle bodies clear, and fuel injectors healthy. A Japanese engine loves clean air and precise fuel. Neglect it, and you shorten its life. 6. Drive smart, not slow. You don't have to baby them, but avoid repeated redline abuse and long periods of overheating. Japanese engines reward balanced driving. Do this, and the engines we talked about won't just reach 300,000 miles. They'll feel solid, smooth, and dependable the entire way. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't stop here. Check out the next video below to discover more tips on keeping your car engines running longer and stronger.